Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2010 GERINGHOFF North Star 1230F folding corn head. This is set up on 30-inch rows. I'm here in Osseo, Wisconsin. Traded it in on a, I think it was a new GERINGHOFF, just earlier this fall. Looking it over, it's got a, I don't remember that knife design, but they are in decent shape. The edges aren't wore off on the fronts. The poly overall is decent. There's one crack here. The rest of them I think are pretty decent. This end snoot has a little goofy thing on the right hand side. I suspect the roller or this end row auger might have gotten caught up in there once upon a time. Try to lift up, see what those chains look like and how much stretch there's left in them. I think there's a fair amount of life left in the chain. Auger bed, little rip right there on the auger, but nothing terrible. I'm assuming the couplers are all in good shape, but it's not folded. The floor here looks good. It is set up for a C&H feeder house. Here's the single point. It's got the Headsight head height. There's a serial plate. And our unit numbers there, 4272. We've owned this one before, but I remember selling it to this guy, but I don't remember what the circumstances were and how long he owned it, but originally came out of northern Illinois. There's a PTO shaft for it. So this is the head, and it can be found in Osseo, Wisconsin. Thank you.